How to change Payoneer's account name. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change Payoneer account details. Okay, so let's go straight into the tutorial. The first thing to do is to log in into your Payoneer's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu displaying some options, and then by the right side, you'll see some icons, the help icon, the notifications icon, and then your profile icon. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. Ensure you select settings. Once you've selected settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On the settings page, select profile settings. So once they click on profile settings, you'll be taken to your profile settings page. Okay, so on this page, you will see your account name boldly written, all right, as well as your email. So for you to be able to change this, just click on the edit option located at the top part of the box. So once you click on it, you'll see name. So if you want to change this, just so click on request name change. Okay, then since to update the name listed on your account, select a reason below. So you have to choose a reason or legal name change or error during registration. Just select which reason you fall under, and then once you've selected it, click on submit. All right, so once you click on submit and the name change request has been approved, you would be notified that it has been approved. That was has been approved. Come over here, input the name, the new name you want to use, and then click on save. Once you click on save, the name will be changed automatically. So this is how you can change your Payoneer's account name. Very simple, right? Yes. So thank you and have a nice day.